The type of projects we're using Revizto on range from 40-story commercial high-rise skyscrapers all the way through to swimming pools, laboratories, university precincts, and right down to medium-sized residential and commercial projects. What we find with Revizto is having the project team. We're working with diverse project teams across Australia, New Zealand, and other parts of the world to really effectively rebuild an entire city. And having a centralised platform where you can work in real time, share screens in real time with team members that are in a different time zone is invaluable to ensuring the success of our projects. We use Revizto on our projects because it's simple, easy to use, it's cost-effective for delivering and ensuring collaboration and coordination on all of our large-scale projects throughout Australasia.
We looked into Revizto because, or we implemented Revizto because I saw that there was an inefficiency in the process. There was a lot of manual markups, and I felt that needed to be improved throughout the process. Every other part of the process was digital except for the markup side and the coordination side. So that's why we started using Revizto. The implementation process has been very seamless. People have jumped on board from day one. Because the process was so easy, it's a very intuitive product, so implementation was never an issue compared to other softwares that I had.
So some of our offices are corporate, commercial, high-rise projects. Some of them are higher education, corporate interiors projects out of our Chicago office. And Revizto lets us coordinate and work together in all of those different scenarios. And then we also use it for tracking deliverables and making sure that we're on track with where we're at in the project.
Our process of setting up Revizto in our office started with a pilot project, seeing how it works with a single project, and it just kind of grew organically because of its ease of use and its ability to tie into virtual reality, which is something we've been doing a lot, and the ability to show clients with the remote camera sharing. LHB is a 280-person firm, and everyone who works on buildings actually has access to Revizto and has been trained on it. So we've used it on a number of projects, and we have it set up in such a way that models are updating every night, and everybody who's looking at models are looking at accurate, up-to-date, representations of the project. The thing that makes the design process more efficient with Revizto is the ability to assign an issue to an individual. So there's kind of a sense of responsibility that's associated with the issues and the ability to follow up on that issue. And so there's basically a chain of evidence, if you will, on issues, and just making sure that they get completed properly is what's really helpful and important.
We are utilizing Revizto on a coordination project for a general contractor that is approximately 750,000 square feet. Revizto works out great as a coordination and issue tracking tool because it allows us to visualize and communicate about the clashes or coordination conflicts that we have in context, which means we're not digging through PDFs and going through Excel spreadsheets to find the problems. We're looking at the problems in the 3D model the same way we would look through them in the modeling environment. The issue tracker can really be used in all the phases of the project. On our current project, we're using it post-construction documents, so we're in the coordination and construction administration phase. Previously, I've used issue tracker in the design phase because I've actually had a lot of architectural project managers tell me they prefer walking around and communicating with their design team to marking up paper drawings.
This is an HP workstation class computer that's designed specifically for virtual reality and in a backpack format. This is a perfect companion for design review in the AEC industry with products like Revizto to bring the geometry into a fully one-to-one scale immersive environment, understand the scale, understand the context, and immerse the designers into the project.
3 words that describe Revizto as a whole: easy, effective, and collaborative.
It's necessary, and I saved a word.